The Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom is probing an incident in which a man said to be of unsound mind was fatally shot during a reported confrontation with the police. The incident happened this afternoon in Kingsland, Manchester. 3 policemen were reportedly wounded and are receiving treatment. Reports are that about 1 o'clock, the man attacked an elderly man. The elderly man was able to run from his attacker and was rescued by residents who called the police. The man of unsound mind threw several stones at the police on their arrival. He was fatally shot when the cops sustained injuries.